Hello buyer, this is a video tutorial for the installation and validation of a McAfee livesafe corporate license. A corporate license differs from a personal license in that it has 15 digits, and not 25. Being corporate has many advantages such as having the best price, more safety barriers for you, and more time than a conventional one. Here is your personal license. Each license is unique and different. If you buy 2 licenses, you will have 2 different codes, the same for all quantities. I am doing this installation from Spain, but it is the same for all countries in the world. This is the link to download the software quickly and safely from the McAfee server. This is the link to see this video tutorial. And these are the instructions. First, it is recommended to uninstall older antivirus even if it is another version of McAfee, so as not to create interference. After uninstalling your previous antivirus, it is recommended to restart the computer to finish the uninstallation. Second, enter the link to download the software. Then enter your personal code. Then click Run and install the program. Finally, wait for the process to finish and enjoy. Let's start the installation. Click on the software download button. Click on the downloaded file to start. Keep in mind that the installation language depends on regional preferences. But the final language of McAfee is in English. The instructions appear in Spanish because I am in Spain, but at the end of the installation the language will be English. Now, we copy and paste the personal code. Here we can see that the McAfee livesafe license is confirmed in the system. It will now install automatically. It usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. If you present an error during the installation, it may be for some reasons. The first reason is that your operating system is not compatible or you do not have enough memory for the installation. It may also be because the McAfee servers are oversaturated and then it is not a license error or your computer. In that case you would have to wait a few hours for the McAfee server to be operational again. In any case, if you have any questions before, during or after any installation of our licenses, accounts or subscriptions, you can communicate with us and we will always answer and help you. For us the most important thing is your satisfaction. Let's wait for the download and installation to finish. We put in ready. As we can see, the language is already in English. We put get started, and the McAfee antivirus will begin to configure it on your computer. And that would be the entire installation. This is your control panel, where you will have access to all the functions and tools. You can also see the expiration time of the license, which as you can see, is greater than what is offered. Thank you and have a good day.